Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the best crypto debit cards for beginners. If you're looking for a simple way to spend your crypto while managing your finances, these cards are perfect for you. Let's jump in. First up is Wirex. This card supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, along with traditional fiat currencies like USD, Euro, and GBP. It's great for beginners who want flexibility and ease of use, plus you can earn up to 8% cashback on purchases. If you're just starting with crypto but also want to manage your regular cash, Wirex is a fantastic option. Next, we have Nexo. This card is ideal for those who want to maximize rewards. You can spend Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several stablecoins while earning up to 2% cashback. What's unique about Nexo is that you don't need to sell your crypto to spend, it uses your assets as collateral. This makes it perfect for hodlers who want to keep their investments intact while still having access to funds. Now let's talk about Crypto Voucher. This is a great option if you're just dipping your toes into crypto. While it's not a traditional debit card, it allows you to convert cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum into usable funds that can be spent easily. It's especially suitable for beginners who want simplicity without the need for complex wallet setups. Finally, there's the Binance card. It's a fantastic choice for active traders who want to spend directly from their Binance wallet. It supports popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BNB, and Ethereum. However, keep in mind that Binance cards are only available in certain countries, so double-check availability in your region before signing up. Ready to get started? I've included links in the description below to open a free account with each of these platforms. Check them out and find the card that suits you best. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more helpful crypto content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.